All right, this is section 2.1 from Openstax Precalculus. We're looking at number 45, where we write an equation for the lines graphed. Well, this is one of many problems. This is a horizontal line. The line is horizontal. Horizontal lines have their own little grouping or something where we look at it and we have a special style of equations. The graph of a horizontal line is always, or the equation of a horizontal line is y equals a number. And what number should it be? The number is the y coordinate of where it passes, that it contains for every single point. So it's y equals 3. So that wasn't really clear what I said, really. But look at all these points here. I have 2, 3. I'm just picking a few of them out here. Negative 2, 3, 0, 3. Those are just points on the line. They all share one thing in common, y equals 3. X is different for every single point on the line. For every different point, different x values. But they all have y equals 3. That's the answer. Now, if you want to, this is more like an explanation. Another way to look at this is that if you look at the slope is going to be, it's rise over run. And so you could say, well, that's y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Let's pick these two points, which are, I just sort of chose arbitrarily. So for those 2 points, I'm going to have y1 minus y2 is just 3 minus 3, and then x1 minus x2 is 2 minus 0, so that gives 0 over 2, and 0 over 2 is 0. So the slope is 0. The slope of a horizontal line is 0. So now if I use y equals mx plus b, well, b is the y-intercept. B equals 3, the y-intercept. M equals 0, the slope. So this is all explanation. This makes it look like this is a long problem. It's not at all necessary to do this. But if you put in the y equals mx plus b formula, you're going to have the same result, that you get y equals 3. But what we should do is we should just say, okay, here we have horizontal line. The equation is y equals a number. And what number? The number is the y coordinate for all the points on the horizontal line. Okay, so that's all.